Today is a very exciting day. Today we're actually closing on our first home, so I can't wait to take y'all to the house. It's super early in the morning. Y'all, I don't know why I chose the earliest time for closing, but I did. So now I gotta drive 40 minutes and I gotta get the kids ready. So we're doing everything in a rush. I have to actually be before closing, I have to go somewhere in 30 minutes prior to closing to do the last walkthrough of the house. And then today's supposed to be really nice outside, so afterwards we have a few things to do, and then we're probably gonna go to the beach. So excited, we're finally at the house. We're gonna do the final walkthrough, so I'm super excited.
Mansion sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
Oh my goodness, you guys, we are officially homeowners. This is our first home. I cannot believe it. This is our house. Insane, like it's actually ours and stuff. So I can't wait to make videos and like decorate with me, home decor, all of that fun stuff. But we got the keys today. I'm so excited. Let me show y'all. The realtor actually got us a cute basket. So we're gonna put this out front. And you know, I was looking at this yesterday too. That's so funny. I almost thought about buying this. A whole Starbucks cup. Like, how cute is that? We'll do like a quick unboxing. Some candles. I love this brand so much. Ugh. And this smells really good as well. Then how cute is this faux plant? Which is great because I can't really keep stuff alive. And then we have another one, super cute. I love it. And then she got us some goodies for the boys, some peach rings. For this one's for Emmy, and then Chevelle got like some gummy sharks. And then of course for me, I can't wait to open this. All right, so let's go outside. Let's go put this on our front door. Excuse me. Don't do that, okay?
Get something. What are you doing? 3, 2, 1, Tita! Let's off. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, Tita!
Hey girlies, so this is our first night in the house. I'm tired. I'm sure y'all probably can tell that I'm just done. I'm so exhausted. We've been out pretty much all day and just driving around the town and stuff, just trying to figure things out for the house and, you know, water, light, all the grown-up things. But I feel like sometimes they make it so difficult, at least in this state. It was so difficult to put on, to switch over my name to what the light. Girl. But yeah, I took some stuff out. Y'all probably seen like me taking out the plates, my salad bowl thing. I already have my coffee machine ready to go for tomorrow, and we put my coffee pod stuff in here. So I just can't wait to start decorating and stuff. But as of now, everything's like pretty much empty. Just what I have is like the things are in the stuff that's in the living room. So I thought I had my plates and bowls here. But I guess they're still in storage, so I don't know where we put them at in storage. And I was hoping to have them today, and I could have swore I grabbed them, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to either go back tomorrow and look for them. So, but if not, I mean, the movers are gonna be bringing my stuff in a few days. So, I don't know if I showed y'all this thing, but I got it from TJ Maxx for $12.99. I am obsessed with this thing, with the wood hardware. So right now I have it in the kitchen. I don't know if I'll leave it in the kitchen or if I'll bring this to the bathroom, but it's ginormous, but I love it. It's just, it has character to it, even though it's like basic, like plain, but it's just like this to me just has character. It has all these grooves on it. And it's like the aesthetic that I want to go for, and like with more wood stuff. And it's so white in here, so we'll probably end up doing is adding, I don't know if I'm gonna do gold faucets or black. I haven't decided just yet, but we're definitely gonna have to bring some type of like color, maybe black, or I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'm excited though. I'm excited how everything looks. Excited to be on this journey with y'all. If you guys are interested, be sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe. My watch hours are going up, so that's good news. I've been super excited that they have been going up. I have my goal to reach my watch hours, so I'm still like working on that. Wi-Fi people are supposed to come tomorrow, so hopefully the Friday vlog will be up. This is gonna be part of the Friday vlog. So as long as I get Wi-Fi tomorrow, then this video should be up, hopefully, if I have time. So if not, this video will be up on Monday. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I will see y'all on the next video. Bye, girlies. 'Cause I don't want this simple life.